Welcome back, racing fans! Today, we're diving into the career of one of NASCAR's most well-traveled drivers, Mike Wallace. This driver has not only made a mark in NASCAR, but also left a legacy in various racing series. So, buckle up, and let's get started on Mike Wallace. The life and career of Mike Wallace, born on March 10, 1959 in St. Louis, Missouri, isn't just known for his driving skills. He's a true testament to perseverance in the world of motorsport. A member of the famous Wallace racing family, Mike shares a racing lineage with his brothers Kenny and Rusty, both of whom are also well-known drivers in the NASCAR world. But Mike's story is unique and deserves a closer look. Starting his career in the 1980s, Mike Wallace worked his way up through various racing series, including the ARCA Racing Series. He began to gain recognition for his consistency and ability to perform under pressure. His path to the NASCAR Cup Series was no easy feat, but Wallace's persistence eventually paid off when he made his debut in the Cup Series in 1990. One of Mike Wallace's significant career milestones came in 1991, when he earned his first full-time ride in the NASCAR Cup Series with the TriStar Motorsports team. Over the years, Wallace's career saw many ups and downs, with numerous team changes, but his resilience and talent were undeniable. Throughout his time in the series, Wallace competed for several teams, driving both in the Cup Series and the Xfinity Series. Notably, he has also appeared in over 450 races in the Xfinity Series, amassing multiple top 10 finishes. Beyond his Cup Series stints, Mike Wallace's career is marked by his adaptability and passion for racing. He's had a wide-ranging presence in the NASCAR world, from driving for top-tier teams to competing in various other series. Whether it was the Nationwide Series, the Xfinity Series, or even short-track racing, Wallace proved time and again that he had the heart and skills to make it. Despite not having the same level of sustained success as some of his peers, Mike Wallace's story is about much more than winning races. It's about determination, work ethic, and staying in the game despite the odds. His experience as a veteran in the sport has earned him the respect of both his fellow competitors and fans alike. In addition to his racing career, Mike Wallace's personal life has been a part of his public persona. He is a family man, and he's often seen with his wife, Korea, and their children. Wallace has also been involved in various charitable endeavors and has worked to support causes that matter to him. His passion for helping others and giving back is as strong as his love for racing. Unfortunately, like many racers, Mike Wallace's career in the spotlight slowed down in the later years. However, his legacy continues to be felt across NASCAR. His story is a reminder of the hard work and determination it takes to make it in such a competitive sport. Mike Wallace may not have the same number of victories as some of his more famous counterparts, but his career is a true reflection of what it means to be a professional in NASCAR. He fought for every opportunity and showed that sometimes it's the jume, not just the victories, that define a racing career. And that's a wrap on our look at Mike Wallace's career. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more racing stories. Who's your favorite NASCAR driver? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep your engines revved up, and we'll see you on the track.